Alright, welcome back. I'm filming the intro of this one from part of the video on the dyno. We're tuning a supercharged Pajero. So this was 3.6 V6. It's like a hybrid 3.8 Mitsubishi 380 bottom end. Pretty cool. So it's like I don't know what brand blower it is. It's kind of like a Toyota hybrid, like a blower off like an Orioni type thing with a different front on it. It's cool. It's running an XED ECU, which is like a piggyback. I don't know if I already went through that part of this video. And has a 7th injector, so an auxiliary injector as well. So this running factory injector's pump, MAF sensors all there. Auto's still controlled by the ECU, so we're gonna get into it. Do all the light load stuff, see what happens, and then we'll do some power runs. I think we're melting here. Wait, Leo, you got water on my face then? Shout out to car builders. There's actually car builder stickers on this thing. I don't want to melt the car and there's vacuum lines and stuff there. Obviously next to the extractor, this hasn't been tuned yet, so you find these problems on the dyno. So I'm just going to slip this down temporarily, probably leave it and give it to the customer and say, "Hoi, do some heat management, mate." Essentially, put this lens cap in the back pocket. We're out of fuel like everywhere, but this is also stock pumps, stock injectors. It's only making like £5. This used to make 80 kilowatts, we're at 110, but I'm not happy with that. I need to get this 7th injector working, but I've got to figure out what output it's on. So this is an XED ECU, which is essentially a piggyback. It's a signal interceptor, which you run your stock computer, which is obviously this needs because it's auto. And then this just fudges the numbers or add and remove duty cycle, take control of the timing, but you're still running your standard computer. So, essentially, it's 7th injector time. We need more fuel. Very old school way. It kind of reminds me of the Safari turbo kits, just put on Land Cruisers. You just bang an injector in behind the throttle body or pre-throttle body, add some boost, tuned, kind of. So, we're going to play with this, so I'll stop filming now for a second because this will be a lot of, yeah. But this video is supposed to be more about actually tuning and what you do. And what you do is spend a lot of time just like trying to work it out. So, alright, we found the 7th injector output table, I think, but to test that theory, I've got it unplugged. I'm going to trigger it via the ECU and see if my Noid light starts flashing, and if it does, we're going to punch a bunch of fuel into it and see what happens. Bloop, 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 bloop. Alright, might be it. So what we're going to do is, we are idling there. Let's go 10%. We might be right. Because lower the dyno and see what the lambda does when we do that. So we're idling at 1.1, which is actually lean. Didn't affect the tune. Is the Noid light flashing? Let's go find out. I might jump up, switch to the other camera. Oh yeah, it's that. We're just gonna try like a 50% on that injector from like 50.2. We'll see what that nets us as a result. So let's do this yet again. Wish me luck. Better, but needs more, so do that again. We're only at 50% on that 7th injector, and we're back to lean at sort of 5,000 RPM, so I'm just going to fatten it up heaps and see if we can make do with what we have. Yeah. Was a heap better coming in though, so let's keep going. Maximum. Taking about 3 hours of playing around, but that's okay, that's Dyno tuning. About 4 pounder boost it's seeing, 130 kilowatts, 283 newton meters. Last time it's got tuned to NA, it made like 81, so we've got a big gain on that. But also, this is on 33 or 35s mud tyres, which rob power. So it probably is, I'll take it for a road test, but it's probably going to be sick on the street. So that's this done. But This video has a bit more into like what tuning is, and this software that we're using on the new laptop I grabbed yesterday, because I'm sick of the other one going flat. We're now 3 hours into this tune and we're at, enlighten me, 83% battery remaining, which is amazing. So this one's done. I've got another one to do right now. Don't know if it's going to end up in this video or maybe the next one, but I'm doing a Barra S13 E85. It's probably noisy as hell, so I might wait till later this Saturday, because the boys will probably want to rest from the ear noise. So yeet, it's a nice quick one, more tuning related this one, which is the stuff I used to watch on YouTube. I think it's quite interesting. But now I'm doing it myself, which is quite interesting. So we're going to take this for a road test. It'll probably be in this video. We'll go for a quick blast up the road and see how it feels on the road. Because on the dyno is one thing, actually going for a drive, make sure it actually does what it needs to. So do that now, that's the end of this video. Well, thank you so much for watching.
She's loud.